In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request review on Facebook Marketplace 2026. Step by step. If your access to Facebook Marketplace was restricted or you're seeing a warning when you try to buy or sell, this walkthrough will help you request a review the right way. We'll start with the most direct path, then cover an alternative route in case the button you need doesn't appear. Begin by opening Facebook on your phone or your computer. Use the mobile app or a web browser. Either works fine. Make sure you're on the correct account because the review request is tied to the profile that received the restriction. Next, head to Marketplace. On mobile, look for the storefront icon. On desktop, you'll find Marketplace in the left sidebar. If your account has a restriction, you'll usually see a notice right away explaining that certain Marketplace features are blocked. Don't worry, that notice is your starting point. If you see a request review button on that notice, tap or click it. This is the fastest way to submit your appeal. Sometimes the button appears inside the Marketplace banner or within a help card on the restriction page. If you don't see it anywhere, no problem. There's an alternative path through your support inbox. To use the support inbox, open the main menu, then go to Help and Support and tap Support Inbox. There, look for a message or case related to a marketplace restriction. Open that message, and you should find a request review option inside. Tap it to begin the appeal. When you're asked to write your appeal message, keep it short, polite, and clear. State that you believe the restriction may be a mistake and that you follow the guidelines. For example, hello Facebook team, I believe my marketplace access was restricted by mistake. I only post legitimate items and follow community guidelines. I kindly request a review of my account. Thank you. Avoid long explanations or multiple submissions. One well-written message is best. After you've written your message, submit the request. Review responses typically arrive within 24 to 72 hours, though times can vary. Keep an eye on your notifications and your support inbox for updates. If Facebook asks for clarification, reply promptly in the same thread so everything stays in one place. That's it. Open Facebook, go to Marketplace, use Request Review if it's visible, or head to the support inbox to find the restriction notice and request a review there. Write a concise, respectful appeal, submit it, and wait for the decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Marketplace access is restored quickly.